How to track order on AliExpress. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, launch your AliExpress application on your device, then get logged into your AliExpress account. As you do so, in order to track your order, tap onto account on your bottom right corner, and from this section, you will see My Orders. Tap on to review. Once you do so, go on to Review tab and you will see all your orders. Tap the one that you would like to track. Just as you do so, you will see the blue lining. It shows your order from start to end. As you can see that from the On button onto the Delivered point. This is how you can track all your orders from AliExpress. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.